Who's here?
You're an idiot.
Let's see.
Nobody would come here.
Oh, hey guys, come on in.
You're literally showing the bedroom.
Take us for the grand tour.
Well, they couldn't even clean this meal. Let's start off with that. The first thing you walk in and see, they couldn't clean it.
What? I don't know. It looks clean to me.
It's all streaky and disgusting.
Yeah, it looks like it's like fogged over. Well, why don't we start in the master suite? Oh yeah, show us that bed, baby. Get in there.
Dark.
Dark. Ceiling fan works.
We have a chair in front of
Look
the
at that
TV.
mirror. I think you would love that mirror.
No, I don't. The
Almost
chair
full
in front of the TV, great. Everyone loves that. Very,
Chair in front of the
very
TV,
great
great.
design. Great design. We love it. And here we got the bathroom. The mirror is quite high.
For you.
I don't know what the fuck this shit is, but that's not
It might be
okay.
an original mirror.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
So I don't know what the toilet paper on the door is about, but that's weird.
That's the access.
That's weird.
Plumbing.
That's weird.
For shower.
Jake shower.
Ooh, she hates this place. One bedroom, like 1,000 square feet.
Next bathroom. We have
Oh.
patchwork that's not done. You have,
Patchwork, could you use a little paint?
yeah, well, they couldn't do that. Again,
Oh,
this
yeah.
mirror, what the fuck?
I
Yeah.
mean, it's just a little tarnished.
Yeah. Well, I'll do something about it.
You want to take a bath?
No.
Why not?
That's disgusting.
Okay.
Hang on. We haven't even gotten to the best part yet.
The kitchen. Oh yeah,
This
make
is-
me a
no,
margarita.
no. This is not the best part. What is this looking at?
I don't know, the blender.
Why are you down?
I was getting a shot of the blender. Hot plate. Show us what.
What is that? What is it?
I would say it's coffee grinds.
I would say it's disgusting.
Now this
What
one.
is
Now
this?
this is definitely more.
What is it? Shit?
That could. Be.
That's literal shit. Infestation.
Welcome to Mexico.
What's in this one?
Oh, that was a good pasta hands.
Stupid.
Show us what's in the fridge. Oh, we got
A warped shelf. I don't even know what the fuck's going on there. Why is the shelf like that?
it's holding all the weight and all those beers. Nothing in there.
They couldn't
Show
even-
us the best
They
part.
couldn't even fill the ice cube trays.
I want to see the best part.
The best fucking part.
Here's your
This
living
view.
room.
Mwah! Amazing. What are you looking at?
I don't know. I'm trying to get the camera right. Take you out here on the patio. Beautiful view. Oh yeah. People love it here. Cruise ship out there.
I've said it once, I'll say it twice. Don't stay at Palmar. Just don't.
Why
Not
not?
worth
A little construction.
it. Not worth
This awesome one
it. I don't know
bedroom.
who's sitting. They may as well just made this a booth. Who is sitting this close?
I don't know, kids. Well, what do you want to do?
Not me here.
Spacious. Feels like home.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah. Doesn't feel like home. All right. Well, we'll see you guys later. See ya.
Are you ready?
Shit. Yeah, see.
Here you are, mister.
Oh, it looks good.
The governor and the two Phillies
Gracias.
and the asada.
Thank you.
Right there we got all the good stuff.
Oh, toppings, yeah.
The topping, yeah, to take your plate and then you with the spoon.
Okay.
Pour the other.
I'll
Yes.
check it out, Gracias. Ooh, what you get?
Asada. Tacos.
Some chips and guac. Came a little late.
Everything came at once.
Everything. Drinks. Appetizer. It's like they knew what we wanted.
Do you like sushi?
Say they didn't have it until 12 o'clock.
Right now.
It's 12 now.
Is it
Yeah.
12?
When we
Oh, yeah.
ordered, it wasn't ready.
Try the tiradito. It's like tuna with soya sauce, serrano.
Oh, yeah. Good.
You like one of those? See? One?
You want one?
Yeah, we'll try it. Gracias. If you recommend it. Tuna? I know. Just eat some tuna. Be a man.
I know, man.
Man up. Don't wanna wait till tomorrow. Why put it off another day? I'm gonna go with some toppings at a topping bar. Okay? Why not? Look, serrano pepper, cucumber, and catch of the day.
What's the catch of the day? What is it?
Pacifico. That's what I caught.
Okay, let's find a nice shady spot. I think this one.
Oh my god. You don't want any?
No.
Be a trooper.
No.
Come on.
I'm not trying to keep up.
You know, like 90% of our videos of me trying to get you like to eat something or whatever.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
It's ridiculous.
It's great.
Talk about peer pressure.
Talk about
Peer pressure.
human trafficking.
What? Doesn't even make any sense.
Like, well, that you're here. It's like we human trafficked you here to eat catch of the day. No.
I'm not eating that.
Well, I'm just saying, it's trafficked you here. Now you gotta eat this.
You trafficked me here?
No, that's what you make it seem like. It seems like you're held against your will.
A little bit.
A little bit.
A little bit.
All right. See you on the flip side. Oh my God! Look at the size of that roll.
Oh, wow.
Gosh.
This is a big roller.
There ain't no secrets roll.
Uh-oh.
Paying for that. I mean, look at the size difference in the roll. More pieces, more girth. She likes girth in her roll. I mean, I don't know what you guys are thinking.
Right.
Not that secret stuff. Well, yeah, look at
It's big.
that. The size of that roll. I'm full. I'm full. I'm trying to get drunk.
Yeah.
I may not make a second lunch.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
Yeah, I can't take it to go.
We had tacos, guac, chips. You had that thing.
Oh, sashimi? Waiter recommended. Oh, God. A couple Pacificos. Make you full. Yeah, beer. It's a good thing about it. What'd you say?
It's over.
What? Choking? I think she's choking.
Oh, no.
Oh, okay. No, she's not.
That was such a big piece.
I may have one of those just to try it. But yeah, get your money's worth here.
I've never had such a big piece before. Like,
Maybe, yeah, those look huge. Those look like an extra large.
yeah.
Well, she likes extra large.
I don't know what he said this was.
I don't know.
He said that was
The chef's
gyoza
special.
sauce, and this is
It's low sodium,
that's
low
free.
sodium and
No, I
regular.
think this is soy sauce. You said that's eel?
You know, it looks the
Eel
same.
sauce? No, that's not.
Looks the same. Viewers at home, what's the difference? Low sodium, high sodium. I gotta get back in the sun.
This is
I'm cold.
thicker.
Thicker. She likes it thicker.
Oh my god.
What?
I didn't even say I
Talking about
liked
your
it.
soy sauce. Thicker. You like it thicker?
That's
Yeah.
not soy sauce.
Eel sauce, whatever it is.
I didn't say I liked it.
Oh. Okay. You know, just making an observation.
This is much better than the tacos though.
Well, my tacos are great.
The Philly was okay. The Sana taco was.
Philly hit the spot.
The Sana tacos
I think
were not great.
the Philly's gonna be on my top 3 all-time taco list.
You were just saying how you don't even like tacos. You said I don't like tacos unless there's like something special about it.
Well, I don't like tacos if there's pizza or chicken wings. If it's a taco bar and it's all you got to order, maybe I like tacos. But that taco was good. It was good. It was top 3 right up there at Taco Bell.
Big this is. Like look, it's like.
Show us how you put it. Put it in your mouth.
I
Open
have
up.
put it in my mouth.
Open wide.
But like, why is it so big?
I get that all the time. I get that all the time.
No. No, you don't.
Yummy. Oh, don't bite it. $88, all you can eat and drink for 6-7 hours.
Full day package.
Right.
All inclusive.
Right, well, we already exceeded $88.
Right,
I've had
but
seven.
I'm
I've had
telling
7
that-
drinks. No, 9, I think, with these beers.
Okay, but I'm telling that. You get the pool service, drinks, food. You get this taco place. What do you get over there? The pirate ship, and was there another one?
Yeah, all the El Patron, all the lunch places, plus your drinks.
Plus drinks.
That's
a good deal. If you're gonna be here all day.
10 to 5,
That's a whole day.
7 hours. We got some volleyball.
La paleta.
Oh. No, I didn't. 26 minutes. What? You do it, reading a Kindle? Anything good? Last full day. What? Yep. Then back to Florida. It's not that bad. Then back to Ohio. Next destination. Next month.